Everyone, today we are going to see about types of predictions in machine learning. There are two types of prediction. One is regression, regression or continuous prediction, and the second one is classification or categorical prediction. Let's see the first one. The continuous predictions or the values of the model will be in any values in between some range. For example, to predict the price of a specific house, it will be in a like 1 lakh rupees. For another simple house, it may be 5,000 rupees, sorry, 50,000 rupees. And for another house, maybe in 75,000 rupees. So depend on the house, the output value will be differ, and it can be in any value, not 50,000, 1 lakh 75,000. It can be in a 30,000. The output will be in the any values based on the input. Okay. So these types of predictions are called as regression because the output range will be output value in between some kind of range. Let's erase this. So these types of problems are called as regression. So the output range will be in minus infinity to plus infinity. I told that for the house price the value won't get in negative. For some other cases, for some other task it will go in negatives also. And classification problem, sorry, yeah, classification problem or categorical predictions. Let's say you have an image, you want to predict whether the image contains cat or dog. So the output will be cat, sorry, cat or dog. Okay, if mostly the machine learning works in number. Let's say cat will be 0 and dog will be 1. So the output of a specific model, which will be trained to predict whether the given image is cat or dog, the output will always will be 0 or 1. There is no other output for this model because it's trained on only to predict the the image is cat or dog. So the output will be 0 or 1. So can you see the difference? For the regression problem, the output will be in any value in this range, maybe 50,000, 0.162 like that. But for a classification or categorical prediction, the output will be in a discrete value. For this case, it has in a two values. That is 0 means cat and 1 means dog. For some other multi-classes, it may have in a many number of classes like dog, and mouse. Maybe let name it as 2. Let numerically name it as 2. And for 3 and based on the number of classes we can give a numerical representation. And for a classification, the output will be in a discrete, and for the regression the output will be in any value in between minus infinity to plus infinity. These are the two types of predictions in machine learning, and that's it. Let's see on the next video.